Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I did today, and also I'll be showing you with the client screenshot of profit what I shared with me. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So watch this video till the end to see my live trade what I did. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. Hi guys and welcome to this video. So today is 9th of November and now we shall be doing a live intraday trading. So before we do the live intraday trading, the time is around 9:10 now. So let's check out how the market is opening in the pre-open market data. So the market is opening at 1.11% up today in the pre-open itself, and Nifty 50 is opening at 12,399.40. Advanced stocks are 49. Okay, and declines are 0, so most of the stocks are opening in the gap up itself, and unchanged is a one stocks. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap up section. So DV Slab with 5.49% down, sorry, up, and HCL Tech with 1.96% up, and Asian Paint with 1.81% up. Okay, so these are the most gap up opening stock for the day, and there's no gap down opening stock. So these are the market is looking right now. So after a few minutes, I'll be doing my live trading. So I'll be telling you like which stock I'll be selecting and whether I'll be going for a buy side or a sell side. So stay tuned for that and watch the full video to see my live trading what I do today. So guys, right now I selected SBI INT trade. Okay, so I'll be taking this buy until around 465.50. Okay, so once it reaches 465.50 is where I'll be buying. So yes, this is the stock what I'll be trading. So let's see how the stock will perform. So not yet taken any entry yet. So once I take the buy or sell entry, I'll update you guys. So guys, as you can see, 456.50 has been touched, and now it's going up. 456.80 now. So my target will be 0.5% of the stock price, so around 2 rupees. So we'll see how the stock will perform now. So yes, it's almost like 457.25 now. 456.50 is where I bought. Around 2 rupees will keep my target and see. And at the top left, if you guys can see, the market is like 1.41% up right now. So huge gap up in the Nifty 50 chart, if you guys can see. And this is how ICICI Bank chart looks. Not much of a gap up here in ICICI Bank. So still hoping for my 0.5% target to achieve. We'll see. So guys, yes, 458.80 now, 459. Yes, my target is achieved. So yes, more than 0.5, my more than 0.5% target is achieved here, if you guys can see. So let me just take a exit. So guys, yes, if you guys can see here, it's reaching 460 now almost, and I plan to exit somewhere over here, and I booked this profit. Yes, the time is now around 9:50, and just within few minutes of market open, I was able to book this profit for today. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. So guys, these are the client screenshot of profit what they shared with me. So today we trade on ICICI Bank, and that was the call what I gave to. So ICICI Bank, 3,437 rupees profit. ICICI Bank 12,776 rupees profit, and also client has given a feedback message here. 1,065 rupees profit and 1,225 rupees profit. So these are the profit what my clients were able to book today in today's trade of ICICI Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of this feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be telling you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1,000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.